And good morning to those on Flight 376. We are going to begin that pre-boarding process. So guests with disabilities who need extra time and assistance are now welcome aboard.
maze to get in there, huh?
Oh yeah. Most of it's outside, I think.
Come see which one of us is here. Here we go. What's up?
I finally have a moment to actually be on camera. It's been a wild ride getting here, but so fun. First time in Vegas, we're staying at the Flamingo. Today is just like adventuring around. We don't really have any rhyme or reason on what we're doing today. It's just gonna be a jumbled, crazy mess because that's what Vegas is, I feel like. But I'm excited to see all the fun things. I don't even know what that is. What is Kate Spade? Is that like clothes or it's bags? Stay there, we're in line. We grabbed a table here to cool off and kill some time before check-in. I liked it here because of the mellow vibes, easy menu to pick a quick bite, and the waitresses all were wearing really cute outfits. It was really close to the Flamingo, so that was really nice too. We decided that we weren't that hungry, so we ordered a plate of nachos to share. One thing I've noticed about Las Vegas is that the portion sizes are ridiculous, and actually something that I could do without, because the amount of food that they bring out most of the time is just beyond me. But let's be real, these nachos are bomb. Ooh, upgrade. This is what the upgrade looks like. All right, we gotta do a quick room tour. Let me just put my things down. Okay guys, I'm finally on camera. You can see my face, I'm talking. And it's just because we literally had a flight from Seattle to Vegas at 6 a.m. We were up at like 2:30, Uber at 3, got here promptly at 9 a.m. Early flight, but actually super fun to be here early in the day because we kind of started the day and like nobody was out, and that was kind of fun to see. And then, you know, and then the crowds happened and there's so many people here. But anyways, my first time in Las Vegas, I'm having a blast. It's about 2 p.m. and we just checked into our room because usually 4 p.m. is check-in, but we were able to do it early. And the really cool thing is that we upgraded our fucking room and it's actually badass. And so I'm gonna take you around to show you our room. Obviously I don't know what the other room looked like, but this is pretty sick, and I think I'm excited for the view the most. I haven't even looked, but this is pretty cool. I can't believe we did this. It's fun. Okay, let's go see it. All right, so obviously this is the door, and this is kind of what you're walking into. It's almost like basically an entryway hallway, and this like dope pink wall is to greet you when you come in. And I don't know what it is, but it's giving me like 70s vibes. Like this wallpaper and mirror. Right? And then there's this whole countertop, which I really love countertop space. You can never have enough. And then we've got lounging area to watch TV, but with this like retro couch situation. Okay, this is all window. I will open it up, but we're moving on over here. This is the bed. How fucking cute is this? I love it. It's giving 70s chic. I'm into it. And then the bathroom is next, which Bae has christened. Slide door, open to bathroom. Oh, we've got 2 sinks, one to my left, one to my right.
Did you look at this view?
I haven't opened it yet, dude. I'm waiting. Hold on, that's the grand finale. Toilet back here, and then a pretty, aw, so cute shower. Oh, I love it. This is gonna be really nice and fun. Wow. And pink wall in here too. I like it. Okay, so grand finale. I kind of realized what kind of view this was, and what do we do? How do we open this? I kind of want to open it all the way. Do that. hook thing. Okay, and then maybe, oh, there's a couple of them. Okay. Holy shit. Reveal. Whoa, dude. What the fuck? This is our view from our room. This is insane. Like, I've never stayed in a room like this before in my life. This is facing the strip, right? Oh my god. Dude, we upgraded to face the strip.
Right there.
Wild, dude.
Caesar in front of us.
And we could literally see the fountain down there from our room. Wild. This is gonna be insane, dude.
Happy birthday, babe.
Yeah, happy birthday to you too.
Look at the mountains out there.
Oh my god, this was so worth it for another $200, dude. Like, done. This upgrade was another $200 plus a late checkout. Like, easy. Oh my god, it's beautiful up here. Cool. That concludes the room tour. I think we're gonna freshen up and go check out the pool next.
How much cum do you think is on that couch?
So much.
There's a lot of cum on it.
Because our stoner asses in the previous video unhook the curtains from the hooks. Yeah, you're not supposed to do that because watch. Yeah, there's a switch. And it opens.
I sure brought my New Balances. Hold on. They're too hot.
They're not hot for me. They're so comfortable to walk in. Cool.
Pero sí, pero esos niños
Oh, I got you. Okay. Right now? Okay. They're crossing.
Okay, guys, we're back at our hotel suite. We had a blast today. We're very tired. We were just go, go, go all day. And we've been up since 2 a.m. So we're just very tired. We wish we could be out longer. But we're totally content with being in this dope ass suite with sneaky snacks. I went to Starbucks and I got a London Fog just to have like a little hot beverage to end the night. And then there's a pretty awesome cake vending machine that I got, this really cool rainbow cake, and I'm gonna try it. Also, on the side of the vending machine, there's supposed to be a dispenser for forks and spoons, and they were all out. So that sucks. So I'm gonna be eating this out of the packaging or with my hand. If I can open it, I might have to ask for assistance. Oh, shit. Okay, Andy had to help me, but just pretend. Okay. I'm gonna try to attempt to just take a big old fat bite out of it. Oh, I don't know. This is ridiculous. Happy fucking birthday. Yep. Super moist. Vanilla frosting. Rainbow cake. Yeah. Stoner's dream. Worth it. Good morning. It's day 2 in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah, F1 on the TV.
Okay, it's day 2. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is.
7.
7 o'clock. We're early morning risers. Only because we want to get out there and snap some photos and take some video before the crazy happens. Because I feel like until 11 a.m. nobody's out really. At least that's what we experienced the day 1. So we're gonna go snap some photos and then go grab breakfast, and we'll see where the day takes us. Let's go. Crossing because we're going to Caesars for breakfast.
trying to make me look good. I wonder how much it is to sit here.
Tires, dude. Don't honk at me. Don't need to honk at me. Morning. Wait.
You gotta be out here before everybody else.
Good tartar. That's good.
First bite.
Good.
Yeah. Going to Omega Bar.
Yes.
No. Now it makes more sense why we pay that.
Whoa.
Air conditioning. Oh, I'm gonna drink over there. Whoa, I need that again.
I'm not showing too much of it.
So you don't actually buy this?
I don't think so.
Potential dust storms affecting air quality in the event. Guidelines in the Foreman's office for up-to-date protocol.
Okay, so it's 6 p.m. right now, and we're heading out to see the Cirque du Soleil. We're kind of dressed in like, I would say, street cozy chic. And yeah, we're not gonna be able to film inside Cirque du Soleil, so we'll just do a little bit getting there. Cool, let's go.
Extravagant ex-girlfriends.
All right, it's our last morning in Las Vegas, Nevada, with this amazing view of Caesar's Palace and Bellagio and the Mirage down there. Anyways, we're gonna go head down and get breakfast. We found a spot here inside the hotel in the Flamingo, and hopefully it's great because so far breakfast has not been great here. So let's try it out. We're at Carlos and Charlie's again this morning. This has become our place to have happy hour drinks and grab snacks and clearly breakfast. We'll see how it is. My eyes are so puffy.
Yeah, so look at
It
me.
feels so puffy.
Look at these all stuff.
Coffee's good, man. Coffee's good. This is great, thank you. Okay, this is our shopping haul while we've been in Las Vegas, and I want to show you guys everything that we've bought so far. We're gonna be heading to the Venetian one last time, and there's a pair of Nikes that I might score depending on how I feel, so I'll show you those later. But Andy did some designer shopping, and I wanted to show that off because it's fun. So let's begin. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start out with showing the stuff that we got at MeowWolf. These two cute beanies. This light pink for Andy and this hot pink for me. We just thought they were really cute with these eyes on them. Really good quality and soft. And it's gonna be fall before we know it. So we picked those up, and alongside these really cute stickers that we couldn't pass up. Probably gonna put these, display these at the shop, at our salon, because they're so fun. In the lobby here at the Flamingo, we picked this guy up also to put at the shop to display, because it kind of matches our vibe. And then couldn't pass up this cute little globe magnet for the fridge, as you do. Then we found this really cool shop in the Venetian. It's called Shoe Palace, that just had cool dope shoes, which we're probably gonna go visit one last time before we head to the airport. I might pick up a pair of Nikes there. And so I'm gonna show off this cute little sporty Nike dress that I'm actually taking back right now, only because I didn't realize that I grabbed it extra small. I'm not sure why I did that. I meant to grab a small. So we're gonna take this back to see if I can get a smaller one. Then I picked these up, two Tupac shirts up, just because I saw them and they're really cool, and it was a spur of the moment purchase because they're cute. Now for the grand finale, Andy's 40th birthday. He wanted to treat himself to some designer things. So first up is his new Louis V wallet. First we were looking at a black one, or not a black one, a blue one. And then we turned around and saw this gray, and he had to get it. So cool. Then he also wanted to grab some fun sunglasses while we were here. So he picked these dope Ray-Bans up that are a blue. Super cool. Alongside, also a Prada sunglass. We'll show off really quick, and then we'll be done. Even though I don't know how to open this. There we go. They're very cool. There you go. Prada. Got the red line. And that's our shopping haul. So since being here and visiting most of the casinos and hotels, I have fallen in love with the Caesar, which is across from the Flamingo. I've loved the Flamingo, but I just think the Caesar is incredible. Just the interior is unreal. We went into the lobby yesterday morning and I was starstruck. I just loved it so much. So anyways, today we have a late checkout, and we're just kind of killing some time. I have to go make a quick return because I got a wrong size, so we're gonna probably do that when it opens. But we're inside the Caesar Palace shopping. We haven't been in here yet, and just walking around with it being closed is so cool.